I'm going to show you how to set up and use a Lipidpro meter. This is a new pack of meter and strip. On opening the pack of a meter, you will have your Lipidpro meter, manual, lancing device, warranty card, logbook, check strip, lancet, and a pair of batteries. At the back of the meter is the battery compartment. Open the battery compartment and insert the batteries. For settings, long press the power button for 3 seconds in the standby mode and press the power button once to set the date, time, test unit, temperature unit, alarm, printer. After each setting, press the power button to confirm your settings and it moves to the next option. To use the check strip, insert the check strip and press both the up and down button at the same time for 3 seconds while in standby status. If the meter is working properly, 000 will be displayed. To run a test, you need a Lipidpro meter, test strips, sterile lancet, capillary rod, and lancing device. Open the pack of test strip and you will see a container of strip, capillary rod to pick the samples, and a leaflet, the information for use. Before running a test, coding must be done for the meter to recognize the strip. This is done by pressing the RFID button on the meter and place the RFID tag on the strip container to the area of the RFID symbol on the meter. Once the meter recognizes the code number, the meter displays the code on the pack of strips and it returns to the standby status. For capillary whole blood, remove the cap of the lancing device now. Insert the lancet into the lancet holder as shown. Push it all the way in until it clicks in place, then twist and remove the protective cap from the lancet to expose the needle. Place the cap back on your lancing device and be sure to align the notch of the cap with the mark as shown. The next step is to set the penetration depth to match your individual skin type by turning the dial on the cap, and you can select the depth of the lancet. Set the dial to 2 to begin with. You may need to adjust the setting a couple of times until you find the right level for your skin type. To use the lancing device, you first need to prime it. Press the plunger all the way down. The release button on the side of the lancing device has now turned yellow. This indicates that your lancing device is now primed and ready to use. Press the yellow button to release the lancet. This will lance your finger. This part is important. The lancets are disposable and should only be used one time. A reused lancet is no longer sterile and will lose its sharpness and will become painful each time you lance your finger. When disposing a lancet, always make sure that they cannot cause injury and always use a sharp container to dispose of the lancet. To remove the used lancet, point the lancing device into the sharp container and eject the lancet by sliding the ejector forward as shown, or use the protective cap from the lancet, pressing the lancet against it, and eject the lancet. Then place the cap back on the lancing device. Insert the strip in the meter and press the power button once. Confirm if the meter recognizes the test strip by checking out the corresponding symbol on its display. It displays the code number and the testing symbols: CHOL, HDL, TG. In 5 seconds, the meter automatically enters testing mode. The blood symbol blinks when meter is ready for blood sample. Apply the blood sample using the capillary rod by touching the capillary rod on the sample. Always collect blood sample for each test on the test strip with a different capillary rod. It sucks the blood by capillary means. Place the capillary rod on the inserted strip and tilt to the right or left to apply the sample on the strip. Start from the total cholesterol, well after which the CHOL symbol will disappear. Move to HDL, and after that to triglyceride. After dropping on the 3 wells, the meter starts analyzing the test and the result is displayed between 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the test strip and discard. To see previous results, press the up button in the standby mode and scroll using the up or down to see all the results.